Most people throw banana peels away without even thinking about it. But today, I want to show you a really interesting trick that might surprise you. And when you combine banana peel with rice, something pretty amazing happens. The first time I tried this, I honestly didn't expect much. But wow, the result completely changed my mind. So stay with me until the end because the final texture looks so good. All right, first take one ripe banana. And this time, don't throw the peel away. Banana peels actually contain natural nutrients like potassium, antioxidants, and vitamin C. And the smaller you cut the pieces, the easier it is to release all that goodness. Sometimes the simplest ingredients are the most useful. Next, add 3 tablespoons of white rice. Rice has been used in beauty routines for a very long time because it helps skin look smoother and brighter. Now, add enough water to fully cover everything. Let it simmer on medium heat for about 10 minutes. As it cooks, the rice becomes soft, while the banana peel slowly releases its natural nutrients into the water. And honestly, it already smells really nice. Once it cools down a little, transfer everything into a blender. Blend it until the texture becomes nice and creamy. Look at that. It already looks super smooth. No expensive skincare products, no harsh chemicals, just simple ingredients from your kitchen. So, would you actually try this at home? Comment yes or no below. Point toward comments. And tell me what city you're watching from. I love seeing where everyone is from. Now, strain the mixture to remove any little fibers or chunks. This is what gives us that soft, silky texture. Make sure to press gently so you get every drop. Next, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This helps make the texture richer, smoother, and easier to apply on the skin. And honestly, this looks so creamy. And here's the final result. This natural homemade mask may help your skin feel softer, smoother, and more refreshed. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. For best results, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. Simple ingredients, easy to make, and honestly, pretty fun to try. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Easy Genius DIY, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Rate this idea from 0 to 10 in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.